Hey, what's up, guys? It's the Beast Mode Gamer back on another. Alright, I'm just not gonna do that. I did this like 7 times. I said back. I'm sorry. Our very first video, and we're doing this mini map, the Wolf Run. Smooch me. Ow! Why am I red? This is my brother Ash.
Shut up. Come on, let's play so I can troll you with this wolf.
Oh yeah, we called that wolf
The troll wolf.
the troll egg. Yeah. Oh, pro skills.
Shut up, you just
Pro
got up there.
skills. Pro skills.
Pro skills on that.
I had to. Alright, guys. We're gonna actually start this.
And I think you should go first.
Alright, I'm gonna go first, and then after spawn the troll egg.
You gotta even up with that glowstone right there.
Alright.
Turn it all the way around.
Alright.
You ready?
Yep, I gotta punch the wolf.
Punch it and run.
I haven't played this before, but Buck did. He tried it. Oh my gosh. It sounds worse than in Minecraft PlayStation Edition. Hey guys, I can't do a video of Minecraft PlayStation Edition because I don't have a camera for it.
Don't forget to read that sign out loud.
I know. Guys, I hope y'all saw it. Pause the video. Are you hitting me?
Nope. You have to see how far you... Where'd you die?
Get that wolf to kill you. I'm sad.
Hold on, I'll be right there. So you can try it again?
Yeah, find me now.
You're in the trees.
Crap. I fell. I'm getting the troll egg.
Okay. Ow. Cactus.
Come on. Alright, he's dead. Alright, here with the wolf.
Come on.
Alright, spawned. Yeah! I'm sorry, but I accidentally spawned more. And they're after me. So I'm gonna be after you. Wait. Ah!
Uh-huh. Lava troll. You were pricked to death. Oh, stupid wolf.
I have 2 wolves right behind me.
Well, I just made it to the hay trap. You're supposed to be following me. See how far I go. Which I know I got farther than you because I got to the white part. Ah, Pikmin! I just got Pikmin killed. Where are you at?
I'm in the snow thing. Why can I not run that fast? Okay. Guys.
I'm
Ow.
waiting for you to die.
Ow.
You ready?
Come on. Alright, my turn.
No, you just went.
Oh,
You're
fine.
supposed to follow me.
Okay,
I'll
spawn it.
and run. I can't punch that.
Yeah, I can't punch that.
Let's try this again.
You're so
I can punch that one.
But if you punch that one, the baby's gonna come after
I
you.
just punched it.
No, never mind.
You gotta keep up.
I fell in the hole. I'm keeping up with the dog.
Ow.
Dog is beating on you.
Better too.
Guys, y'all just saw that. I just ran into the cactus. Oh, yeah.
Better
Guys,
keep up.
I'm on Facebook.
Keep
so
up, boy.
I'm on Facebook, so like me on Facebook. And P.S. guys, don't spell Beast Mod Gamer. I accidentally made that mistake. So.
Ow. Wolf trolling.
Also, in my
Wolf
other.
trolling. I'm back on the white part.
Also, in my other Minecraft videos.
No.
Oh, here's the wolf.
Pigman. Pigman. Go away. No. I'm dead.
I have a wolf.
I am disappointed. You know what made this better?
Hey, what did that do to y'all?
They fight on their own. If we had put a wolf spawner right here, let them spawn in a couple and just punch them. Who are you hitting? Alright, it's your turn. Hey. Fight to the death.
Fine.
Let's play this 2 wolf. Ready? Come on. You punch like a sissy.
Yeah!
Stop spawning!
No, crap! It gives you unlimited eggs. I don't want to punch him.
No, it doesn't. How does it keep giving you unlimited eggs? I get like 1 at a time.
See? Guys, glitch.
Get out of the way.
Kill me! Oh, crap, guys.
Find him off!
Come on, fight me like a man. I can't kill a baby. So the baby...
Give me the eggs!
Oh, I died. So I don't have the eggs anymore. Go, baby, go, baby, go. Go, baby, go, baby. Where did...
Oh, talk about a troll.
Go, baby, go, baby, go!
And I laugh at his weakness. Hey!
Don't you kill that baby. He didn't do anything to you. Die. What did I do to y'all?
You were saying about wolves and I'm just stay fighting them.
Get him, guys. Get him. Get him. Get him. Let me help you guys. Wolves.
Don't you come over here and troll me in the butt.
Get him.
Back up. Back up. What you gotta say? What you gotta say? Come on.
Come on, hit me.
Say
Hit
it
me.
with your chest.
Hit me. Peace.
Coward.
Butt face. I'm gonna hit a spider.
No balls.
What? Me?
Punch it. Watch out for the other one. Coming for you.
You wanna fight me too? Yeah, sucker. What you gonna do now, huh? I'm gonna go look at them zombie pigmen. I'm gonna kill a creeper with my bare hands. Ugh! Guys, these are the worst.
Baby zombie?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Talk about getting trolled by a troll.
What sort of bet they can beat a wither?
I bet you they could. Baby zombies are the king.
They slice off. I'm gonna kill this creeper. Come on, creeper. Haha, yeah, you died.
I thought you said you were going to see the pigmen.
Oh yeah, who was this game creator by?
I think it was Mojang.
Check.
I'm not checking. You check.
What you gonna do? I'm gonna kill a zombie pigman right here. Oh my gosh, there's someone's dog right here. Ow!
Time for suicide.
Guys, watch this.
I'm looking for you.
Yeah, I beat it. Uh-huh.
I've been there. It's the best troll ever.
Nice job, you survived. Yeah, I did with 1 heart and half food.
Troll.
Alright, guys. Let's say goodbye.
Alright, ready? Set. Troll.
No, let's play on this.
No.
Yeah. Look at my awesome. Hold on, I'm just gonna show this. I built this all in survival. Really? You'll be far away. Look at this. What was that?
What was what?
Oh crap.
What's a spider?
See, this I'm not playing.
Wait a minute. Does that mean I gotta deal with them barehandedly?
Come here, I'll give you a sword.
I don't want your nasty cheating sword. I don't want to find your house and open it up.
Too bad. What you gonna do, zombie? You're just gonna burn to death.
He's in the water.
What are you gonna do? Oh, what? Ow. Are you reaching me? I said you're gonna die. Oh crap, no it's not. Crap. It was killing me. Yo, get out my stuff.
Thought you said I wasn't going to get there in time.
Yo, get off my stuff.
What you guys... Come on, troll. You play like a troll.
Yo.
You play like a troll. Because you are a troll. You suck.
Alright, guys. If y'all actually...
Stinking little troll.
If y'all...
Shut up, you little troll!
If y'all... How does it connect? This guy... Alright, y'all. If y'all... If we can reach up to 40 views, I would do another video. You have 3 days. Please, please.
Okay, he's not going to get it. If he loses a bet, you can't do it for a whole month.
Guys, I love y'all. Please do this. Mostly Cole and Matthew. Please, please, please. Please, 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 please. Subscribe to my channel. Put on comments what you want us to do. I have... Hold up.
He's got about 100 maps he can do. You need to hurry up in this video.
I have all these games you want me to play. I will play them. Oh yeah, I also have
Hunter,
these two.
come on.
Goodbye.